Hey Olivia, are you single? Because I have a big business proposal for you.
Haha, wait, what? Liam, are you asking me out in the middle of the studio?
Uh, Maybe is it working?
Haha, no, Liam. That was the most cringe-worthy line ever. But hey, welcome back to Native Tone English.
Okay. Okay, I failed. But today we are going to fix this for everyone. Welcome to our beginner guide on how to flirt and talk about relationships in English.
Exactly. Today we are going to teach you simple English words for romance. If you want to learn English with us, you are in the right place. This video is perfect for beginners.
We will keep the sentences very easy. You will listen, learn, and improve your English vocabulary. No stressful grammar today, just fun words.
By the way, if you love our videos, please click the like button right now. It helps our channel grow and finds its true love.
Let us start with word number 1, a crush. Olivia, what is a crush?
A crush means you like someone romantically, but it is a secret. For example, I have a crush on that actor.
Great word number 2, single. If you do not have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, you are single. You can ask, are you single?
And when two people like each other, they go on a date, Liam. How do we use this in a simple sentence?
You can say I want to ask her out on a date, or simply, let us get a coffee.
Before we move on, Liam, we need to talk about mistakes. Many beginners use bad pickup lines. It always ends in disaster.
Yes, I remember my first time trying to flirt in English. I wanted to tell a girl she had beautiful eyes, but I was so nervous I accidentally said, "Your eyes look like big hamburgers."
Haha, oh my god, Liam, haha, hamburgers. That is not romantic at all. That is a massive mistake. She probably thought you were just hungry.
Exactly. She walked away immediately. So the lesson here is simple. Keep it natural. Do not use strange metaphors, just say, "You look wonderful tonight. It is safe, simple, and perfect for beginners."
Welcome back. Now let us talk about being a couple. A couple means two people in a relationship.
Yes, when you are a couple, you are dating. But be careful. Dating means it is casual. You are just learning about each other.
But if you love only one person, you become exclusive. This means you do not see other people. You say we are in a serious relationship.
Now let us learn a very popular word, ghosting. Olivia, this happened to me last week. Haha, it is so sad.
Haha. Oh no, poor Liam, haha. Yes, ghosting means someone suddenly stops talking to you. They disappear like a ghost. For example, she is ghosting my text messages.
Okay, let us do a quick role play for our listeners. Imagine we're at a cozy coffee shop. I am sitting alone and you walk in. Let us practice how to start a conversation naturally.
I love this idea. Let us do it. I am walking to the counter now.
Excuse me, hi. I noticed you were reading that book. Is it any good?
Oh, hi. Yes, it is actually a wonderful mystery novel. Are you into reading?
A little bit. Yes. By the way, I love your jacket. The color suits you perfectly. I am Liam, by the way.
Thank you, Liam. That is very kind of you. I am Olivia.
See, that was so simple. No crazy words, just a question about her book, a genuine compliment about her jacket, and a direct introduction. Anyone can do this.
Now here is a very interesting cultural note for our listeners and viewers. Flirting culture is different in America and the UK.
Oh, absolutely. In America, dating is very direct. People often say, "I really like you. Let us go out sometime." They use the word dating even if they just met.
Yes, but in the UK, people are usually more indirect. They use a great word, fancy. If a British person likes you, they will say, "I fancy you."
And in the UK, they also say, "Let us go to the pub for a pint." In America, they usually say, "Let us grab a drink at a bar."
So if you are practicing your English, remember who you are talking to. It changes the rhythm completely.
Before we go to our final challenge, everyone, it is time for a special game. The Big Native Tone Vocabulary Quiz. Olivia, are you ready to test our listeners and see who is the master of English words?
Oh, I absolutely love quizzes. Yes, guys, let us see if you really remember the words we practiced today. I will give you a simple definition, and you have to guess the correct English word before the clock stops. Let us start with level 1. Question number 1. What is the word for a person who is not married, does not have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, and is completely free?
Time is up. The correct answer is single. If you got it right at home, give yourself 1 point. Well done. Now let us move to level 2. This one is a very popular modern word. What do you call it when someone suddenly disappears, stops talking to you, and never replies to your text messages without any explanation?
And the answer is ghosting. Haha, poor Liam. We actually learned this word from your real-life tragedy last week. Try not to cry during the quiz, okay?
Hey, no personal attacks on the radio theater, Olivia? All right, question number 3. This is for the advanced beginners. What do you call the romantic meeting when 2 people go out together to get a coffee or have dinner to learn more about each other?
3, 2, 1. It is a date. You can invite your crush by saying, "Let us go on a date this weekend."
In London, if a British person says, "I fancy a hamburger," what does the word fancy mean in that sentence? Does it mean they love the hamburger romantically, or does it mean they simply want to eat it?
Ha ha ha. That is a trick question, Liam. In British English, fancy means want or desire. So, I fancy a hamburger just means I want to eat a hamburger. It is not a romantic crush.
Correct. I just wanted to make sure you were not getting confused about hamburgers again. Amazing job.
Ha ha ha. Very funny, Liam. All right, guys. How many points did you get? Write your scores in the comments below. Did you get 4 out of 4? We really want to know.
Yes, please share your scores with us. You all did an incredible job today. Now let us jump back into the studio for our final challenge. Welcome back for the final part. Let us learn a powerful phrase to compliment someone. You can say you have a great sense of humor.
Oh, that is a beautiful phrase, Liam. It means you are very funny. It is the best way to flirt in English safely.
And now it is time for the Native Tone Challenge. This is your homework.
Yes, go down to the comments section right now. Write a simple sentence using the word crush or single.
Everyone, please write your comments below. We read every single comment and we will reply to you. Let us practice English together.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your single friends.
Next week, we will learn easy English phrases for traveling, but right now, I need that coffee.
Let us go. Keep practicing every day. Goodbye, everyone. And if you want to see how we actually failed our job interviews in English, click on our previous video right here.
Bye-bye.